Welcome to today's exploration of the different types of memory space available in Java. The heap is the area of memory where objects are allocated. Unlike the stack, which has a fixed size and a predetermined order of allocation and deallocation, the heap is dynamic and objects can be allocated and deallocated in any order. Objects created with the new keyword are allocated on the heap and can be accessed through references. The stack is used for storing method invocations and local variables. Each thread in a Java program has its own stack, which is used to keep track of method calls and store local variables. The stack is organized as a stack data structure, where method calls and local variables are pushed onto the stack when a method is called and popped off the stack when a method returns. The method area, also known as the class space or non-heap memory, stores class-level data such as bytecode, static variables, method information, and constant pool. It is shared among all threads in a Java application. The string pool is a special area in the heap that stores unique instances of string objects. When a string literal is encountered in the code, Java checks if an equivalent string already exists in the pool. If it does, a reference to the existing string is returned, otherwise, a new string is created and added to the pool. The constant pool is a part of the method area that stores symbolic references used by the program, such as string literals, class and method names, and field names. It is used for efficient access and resolution of these references at runtime. Java applications can also interact with native code and allocate memory outside of the Java heap using native libraries. This memory is typically managed by the operating system or the native library itself. Prior to Java 8, the permanent generation, PermGen, was a part of the heap and used to store metadata about classes, intern strings, and other JVM-specific data. However, starting from Java 8, PermGen has been replaced by Metaspace, which is a part of the native memory. The code cache is a reserved memory area where the JVM stores compiled code, such as just-in-time, JIT, compiled native machine code, or dynamically generated bytecode. The code cache improves the performance of frequently executed code by avoiding repetitive compilation. Direct memory refers to memory that is allocated outside of the Java heap, often using the Java Native Interface, JNI, or the java.nio package. This memory is managed by the application itself and can be used for operations that require direct access to native memory, such as file I/O or network communication. Metaspace is a memory area introduced in Java 8 to replace the permanent generation, PermGen, space, which was used in earlier versions of Java. Metaspace is a part of the native memory and is responsible for storing metadata about classes, methods, fields, and other symbols used by the Java application. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.